Hello dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. We have completed all the portions for semester 2 and also we have started the revisions. In our last class we have revised lesson 1. Lesson 1, living and non-living things. Today we are going to revise our second lesson. What is the name of that lesson? Yes, things we get from nature. Most of the things which we use in our daily life we get from the nature, isn't it? Either from plants or animals or from the earth. So children, can you tell some examples for the things which we get from plants? Yes, timber, then rubber, paper. What else? Different types of fibers like cotton, jute, linen, etc. Some other things we get from animals. For example, leather, wool, etc. Then can you tell the name of the things which we get from the earth? We get rocks, soil, fuels, etc. from the earth. Then can you tell some examples for hard rocks? Yes, diamond and marble. Then what about soft rock? Yes, chalk. Rocks are made up of minerals, isn't it? And we also get different metals like iron, aluminium, gold, silver, etc. from rocks. And gemstones also present in rocks. Okay, then next we have discussed about different types of soil. Can you tell the name of 3 types of soil? Yes, loamy soil, sandy soil and clay soil. Soil is made up of tiny pieces of rocks and humus. And what is meant by humus? Yes, rotted plants and animals are known as humus. Humus is very good for the plant growth. Then, which all fuels we get from the earth? Coal and petroleum are the important fuels which we get from the earth. And we also get petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, etc. from petroleum. Plastic also made from petroleum. Okay. So these all things we have discussed in this lesson. So hope all of you have studied this lesson very well. Write and practice each question answer minimum 2 times and send the snap to the mail ID which I will mention in the description box. Okay. And also clear your doubt during your live session. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.